Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm your host Greg here at Midsomer Railway in Scale. Hello. I hope you all had a great Christmas, great time with the family, and got some nice Christmas presents. I've seen some of your presents already in mail calls and they look fantastic. I really want to say thank you so much to anybody who watches this channel, be it subscriber or not. I appreciate you watching my channel. I'd love you all to be subscribers, but that's fine. It just helps my channel. So I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year, and let's hope 2025 is a really good year for everyone. It's been an eventful year this year. I finally got back to doing some YouTube after my serious cancer operation. I had a visit from Anthony and Joyce, and we spent 4 hours together, some of it here in the train room, which was absolutely fantastic. I was really touched that Anthony wanted to come and see me. The other thing this year was that my daughter had another baby, so I now have 2 grandchildren. My first grandchild in May turned 2, which was fantastic. And then having a second grandchild, it's really nice. My first grandchild is really into trains, and I mean seriously into trains. We've been on train rides, we've been on steam train rides, and it's been really good. I really enjoy my time with my grandkids. It's also helped me to get over some of the obstacles, maybe some depression that I've had because of the operation and side effects and this nasty chemo drug that I'm on. I do want to apologise if you see me or see a text or a chat in one of the live streams. This chemo drug makes me really dizzy and spins me out, so it takes me a long time to type one chat. So if I don't say individually hello, please forgive me. And if I don't talk all the time, I am still watching. The sad news is, on my wife's birthday in September, we lost our white cat. Very affectionate. He just dropped dead. Early December, we got another cat called Baxter. And our older cat has passed away too. So now we're left with one. Finally, just thank you everyone. And thank you for watching. I hope you will continue watching in 2025. And I hope 2025 is a fantastic year. All the best. Happy New Year.